If ChatGPT is showing error 409, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary conflict error, and you can usually fix it in just a few quick steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to solve ChatGPT error 409, why it happens, and how to avoid it in the future. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, the most important fix is to wait a few seconds and try again. Error 409 often happens when two requests overlap or the session gets momentarily confused. So if your prompt fails, pause for a few seconds, then send the request again. In many cases, that alone is enough. Conflicts are usually temporary, so give ChatGPT a moment to reset before you retry. If that does not solve the issue, the next step is to refresh the page. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This reloads the page and resets the session without changing anything important. A simple refresh can clear out a stuck connection and let ChatGPT start responding normally again. Now, if the error keeps coming back, try starting a new chat. Click the New Chat button and begin a fresh conversation instead of continuing in the old thread. Sometimes older sessions can conflict with new requests, especially if the chat has been open for a while or if the page has had connection issues. Starting a new chat gives you a clean slate and often resolves the problem immediately. Another common cause of error 409 is clicking multiple times too quickly. It can be tempting to hit send again and again when ChatGPT seems slow, but that can actually make the conflict worse. The best approach is to click send only once and wait for the response. If needed, be patient for a few seconds before trying again. Multiple requests cause conflicts, and avoiding duplicate clicks can prevent the error from happening in the first place. If none of those fixes work, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored browser data can interfere with the ChatGPT session and trigger repeated errors. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Select the cached files and cookies, then clear them and restart your browser. After that, go back to ChatGPT and try again. This can often fix stubborn login or session problems that keep causing error 409. If you are still having trouble, you can also try logging out and back in, switching browsers, or disabling extensions that might interfere with the page. But in most cases, one of the 5 fixes in this video will solve it quickly. The key is to start with the simplest option first and only move to the more advanced ones if needed. So to recap, if you see ChatGPT error 409, first wait and try again, then refresh the page, start a new chat, avoid multiple clicks, and finally clear your cache and cookies. These steps are simple, fast, and usually enough to get ChatGPT working again without stress. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.